Hello students, I'm Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in English, Standard First. Let us start. Our today's topic is Faith and Zoya at the plant cell. Children, look at the picture very carefully. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you can see there is one boy. You know what is his name? Yes, his name is Faiz. F-A-I-Z, Faiz. Now, look at this picture very carefully. This is a picture of a girl. Do you know what is her name? Yes, her name is Zoya. Z-O-Y-A, Zoya. Now, observe the picture and think. What are the things in the picture? Yes, there is a water can or watering can, a plant. Somebody is giving plants the water. So, plants need water. Children, in this picture, you all can see the soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Yes, what is this picture? This is a picture of a sun. S-U-N, sun. Children, when do you get up every day? You can see the sun is shining brightly in the sky. Yes or no? So, every day there is a sunrise. So, you can see sun in the sky. Now, what do you think this picture is? Yes, this is a picture of a plant. A small plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Okay. So, let's see our lesson, Faiz and Zoya at the plant cell. First, I will read the lesson, then I will tell you what is there in the lesson. Faiz and Zoya go to a plant cell. They buy mint plants. Faiz puts his plant near a sunny window. Zoya puts her plant in her bedroom. Faiz's plant looks green and healthy after a few days, but Zoya's plant has some more brown leaves. Children, you can see here Faiz and Zoya, they both are together went to buy a plant. There was a plant say near to their house where they are having the small saplings. Saplings mean small plants. So, you can bring them in your house and plant it where you have the place near to your house. So, they both had gone to buy the plant. And which plant did they buy? They buy mint plant. And they brought that. Faiz had put his plant near a sunny window, means where there are the rays of the sun every day. And Zoya, she had put her plant in her bedroom. But Faiz's plants was looking green and healthy. It was looking so fresh, green in a color. After few days pass, but Zoya's plant has some more brown leaves. Her plant did not grow properly. It was not looking fresh, green. leaves are also turned with brown color. Now let's see next. Children, I will tell you how the growth of plants take place with the help of this picture. Now children, you can see very carefully in the picture. To plant a small tree or a seed, we need some soil. When we give the seed, when we put the seed in the soil, after few days, when it gets water and the rays of the sun, moisture, everything, then the seed turns into sprout. It gets a small sprout. After that, it starts slowly growing. And after few days, it will be again grown into much more bigger. You can see there small tiny leaves. And again it grows and grows. It gets many leaves, then the flowers, and then the fruits. So it needs soil, water, sun rays, all the things properly. Not more, not less. It needs in proper amount, everything. Okay. If you are not giving anything from these three things, then you might not see the plant growing or the plant's growth. Okay. So there are very important. These three things are very important for the growth of the plants. Soil, water, sunlight. Okay. So keep in mind. Now let's see, why did Zoya's plant did not grow? Your plants need more light. Faith says. Zoya moves her plant to a sunny window. Soon both plants look green and healthy. Now children, Zoya has changed her plant's place. You remember, she has placed her plant in the bedroom, and in her bedroom there is no sunlight. So that's why her plant's leaves turned brown color and it was not looking fresh and healthy. So when she moves her plant to a sunny window where there is enough sunlight, the plants became again green and healthy. So children, do you understood why I was telling all the things are important for plants to grow? This is the reason. Okay. So Zoya has put the plant in a sunny window and her plant also now looking green and healthy. So children, this is our lesson for today. Now let's see the activity. What is the activity for you? Question is, rearrange the letters to form a new word. Now children, I have given you the words here and there. Especially in the word, the letters are not arranged in the proper order. So you can rearrange them and write the correct answers. Like TIMN is, we can frame MINT, mint. TLAPN is TLANT, plant. Then REEGN is GREEN, green. And last one, SDGI is D-I-G-S, digs. So children, these all are now meaningful words. Mint, plant, green and digs. We have arranged them properly. Now they have the meanings also. So like this way you can practice by arranging the letters and making the new words. Now let's see your homework. It's homework time now. First question is, answer the following questions. First one, who are at the plant cell? And the answer is, Faiz and Zoya are at the plant cell. Second one, which plant did they buy? And the answer is, they bought mint plants. Third one, where did Faiz puts his plants? Faiz puts his plant near a sunny window. Thank you children. I hope so you all have understood this lesson.